Need a quick Easter craft to keep little hands busy? Try this. You will need some different coloured yarns, some pom-poms, PVA glue or tacky glue, a card or some paper, a pencil and some scissors. First fold your card or paper in half, and then taking the pencil we're going to draw out a bunny outline. You can even print out a template to do this, but don't worry about it being perfect. They can play around with other designs as well, like Easter eggs. Once you've drawn out the bunny, we need to cut this out. Make sure to have parental supervision for this bit. Now's the time to choose our lovely yarn colours. These could be pastels or rainbow colours, whatever you would like, and they can even be different thicknesses. Opening up the card, we're going to start to add a bit of our glue to the bottom of the bunny. Taking strips of our yarn, we're going to lie this across the bunny outline and stick it down. You can cut away any excess yarn. Keep adding glue around the outline of your bunny and stick down your yarn. Once you've covered your entire bunny with yarn, we're going to use the glue and we're going to pop that all around the yarn outline onto our card. We're then going to fold over the card to stick this down. You don't have to fold over the card, you could always stick an extra bit of paper or card over the back instead. Now here's the fun part, you can add extra little details like a fluffy tail to bring it to life. I've used a little pom-pom here to glue straight onto the yarn. And there you have your cute Easter bunny card. You can play around with different colours and different patterns of yarn as well. Now's the time to write our card. This fun and simple craft will keep little hands busy over Easter. Let me know in the comments what are your plans for Easter this year. Save this for later and subscribe for more cosy crafts.